This is a 1984 Pontiac Fiero modified SCCA Pro-Rally car. The 2.7 Super Duty 4-cylinder, horsepower 225. It's a racing Fiero. Oh, look at that intake on the roof. It's got the cage. This is at the Pontiac Transportation Museum in Pontiac, Michigan, and it's back in this area here that's currently under renovations. See all the lamps on the front. What a great example of Pontiac racing in a Fiero. And with the mid-engine and 225 horsepower, that would probably be very competitive. So come to the Pontiac Transportation Museum and see cars like this. And this was, of course, built in Pontiac.